бо ти дебундером то вичерпалось, так?
Так. А це таке поняття клей.
Лучше, да, не беремо закон.
Hi, hello. Welcome to the workshop. Today we are preparing the ribs that we're going to apply to the structure of the fixed wing. So at this moment we're trying to fit in the bar that we'll use to have a good structure of the fixed wing. So here is the ribs, right? It's part of the materials or equipment that we're going to use to structure the wings. Okay, so at this moment we're trying to smooth out the ribs. Some of them doesn't have free movement to fit in the pipe, so we are trying to smooth out the inner surface to have a smooth surface to fit in this pipe. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. All right, so stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, as we can see before, we were not able to fit in this pipe inside this hole, and with a little bit of sandpaper in the inner surface, we were able to fit in this ball pipe inside this hole. As you can see, it can move freely now. Okay. Okay, like that, we're going to check the rest of the ribs to see the ones we can smoothen to have a free movement of this ball part. And we're being careful not to make a big hole, so that we will not be applying too much glue when we are fixing this pipe inside the hole here. So a little bit of sandpapering to have a smooth surface to fit in the pipe, and that we do.
So here comes more ribs, which are made from plywood.
Okay.
And from those ribs we will be able to build the wing.
The wing, yes.
But firstly we need to clean it and to double check it whether it fits.
Yes.
In order to provide excellent surface for connection. Because
Yes.
otherwise, if you do not clean those dusts, which is build it during the laser cutting, then it simply the glue sticks to the dust.
When it's done, as you can see, it can fit smoothly inside the hole. So I think it's enough smoothing. Yes.
Yeah. When we go to this, then we will be discussing the other one. Okay.
Okay. This one is done, and we're going to move to another work, and it's going to be the one of the plywood. Okay, so my colleague is going to show the thing that we need to do, and then I'll carry on with the process. Okay.
Trzeba będzie pójść pod przeciwnicę parę razy na niego.
Kolega, tu były takie grube pręty węglowe. Gdzie je wrzuciłeś?
Jeśli coś tam, to na górę tam, ale nie przypominam sobie.
Takie grube.
No to ja nie przypominam sobie, że nie wrzucam, może to na górze.
Okay. Które są jeszcze dobra? Czy używasz gęstego noża?
W tej chwili to na razie wpatrzam.
Nie?
Na razie to wpatrzam tylko.
Tak, no bo ja bym poszedł zakleić ten. Ja biorę tego gościa, przepraszam. I zakleić środniki w takim razie.
Gęstego wziąłeś?
Tak?
Gęstego wziąłeś?
Tak, gęstego.
Dobra, gęstego sobie